Hello, if you wonder how to use face recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, for the first you have to go to the settings. And now we have to go to the biometrics and security. So as you can see, there's our option, face recognition, so click on it. And now we have to insert your log method. In my case this is log pattern. And there's like some information, so click on the continue. Do we wear glasses? No, we didn't. Okay, and as you can see, our face was scanned, and right now when we are going to lock our device, we will be able to unlock it with our face. So yeah, as you can see, it's unlocked, so there is only swipe. And now when I just put the finger on the camera and lock screen again, as you can see, I cannot unlock with swipe. So we have to use our pattern or the fingerprint. So yeah, this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.